Welcome to this guided hypnotic meditation session. This practice is designed to help you enter a state of deep relaxation, mindfulness, and self-hypnosis, allowing your mind and body to work together in harmony for self-healing and restoration. Using the steady rhythm of a metronome as an anchor, you will be gently guided into a profound state of focused awareness. This session encourages you to let go of tension, cultivate inner calm, and awaken your natural ability to heal and rejuvenate from within. As you follow along, remember that this is your time, a safe space where you can fully immerse yourself in the experience without judgment or expectation. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably, ensuring that your body feels supported.